Dreamstime.com audio.
Good morning,
Myself,
Vedant.
Vedant and I am a first year MTech student in IIT Kanpur, Aerospace Aerodynamics specialization. I secured All India rank 80 in GATE 2023 Aerospace. So today I would like to ask you a few questions regarding your GATE achievement. So first of all, please introduce yourself.
Hi, Vedant. Hello to everyone. I'm Devendra Singh, and recently I pursued my Bachelor's of Technology in Aerospace Engineering from Ramaya University of Applied Sciences, Bangalore. I stay in Bangalore, but my native place is the land of kings, that is Rajasthan.
Okay. So many congratulations for securing All India rank 39 in GATE 2024. So how are you feeling after securing this milestone?
I feel very good and delightful to achieve this. And yes, this is like a. I feel more than this achievement. I like the journey, what I had of a learning process, and yes, it shows that all those efforts and hard work has been worth.
Yes, true. So what motivated you to write the GATE aerospace exam?
So I was interested in flights, launch vehicles, and missiles since my childhood. So I had this passion towards it. Once I came into BTech for masters, I got to know that if I have to get into top-notch universities in India to do my masters, then I have to write the GATE exam. So that's what motivated me to go for the GATE exam.
Okay. So can you share when did you start your preparation for the GATE and how did you come to know about IIT's GATE classes?
So I got to know about IGC, that is IIT GATE classes, by surfing through the internet, and I started my preparation in May 2023. So that's when the classes begin.
Okay. So please share how did IGC help you in achieving your dream, such as the online classes, the mocks, the test series, and the guidance they give on WhatsApp. Like it helped me a lot during my preparation. I also took the same course in 2023, and it's indeed a very good that for every subject they have a different expert from that field. So how did it help you in your preparation?
IGC helped me in many ways, actually. Let me begin from the start. Like, I joined IGC in May 2023. So that's when the online interactive classes they begin. So those online classes were at the right time. They didn't indulge with office hours or the college hours. So they were at the right time. That is during night hours, like after 9 o'clock. At that time it was. So those classes were very interactive with students, and we can clear our doubts and speak about our doubts in the class itself. And also the classes were in a systematic manner. For example, I would tell, like, first they went from basics, like mathematics, first mathematics. So before getting into the core subject, it was important to know the mathematics, engineering mathematics. So first we had the classes of engineering mathematics, and then before going into the core subjects, we had the basics, the fundamentals. That is, for aerodynamics, we had fluid mechanics. For propulsion, we had thermodynamics, and we had also had engineering mechanics. So before jumping into the core subjects, we had these basics, and then we went on to the core subjects. So it's like in a ordered way, the classes, and not just that. The assignments which were there, the questions were tough. I wouldn't deny that, but they were challenging enough. It gives a challenging attitude to solve those questions. And the online mock exams, just for 1 month before the GATE exam, they were very much helpful in how to handle the exam pressure, or how the these questions would be there, and all those. And even the doubt support what we had, I like this thing very much, that IGC has a very good community built on WhatsApp. That any question, if any student is having any question regarding and like a doubt or something, they can post it on the group, and based on that question, if a student knows, if any other student knows, he can answer, or else at the end the faculty would answer, and the faculty was well versed in their own domains.
Yeah, true. Even if you DM the faculty, they will answer it quickly.
Yeah, that's right.
Like,
Yes.
yeah, they don't neglect us. Yeah.
Yes.
So can you share how did you plan your revision and the mock exam analysis at the end of preparation?
So for revision, I prepared short notes, and those short notes were very helpful during the last 1 week of my gate exam, like before the gate 1 week of gate exam, so that I can quickly revise the concepts, and at the same time I can solve problems, because solving problems was more important, and knowing theory as well, because MSQs, to answer MSQs we should know theory, and that was helpful. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So one big hurdle in the preparation is stress from the mock exams, from other areas also, that I have to do better. So how did you deal with it? How
So
did you
to
keep
be
yourself stress free? Yeah.
So to be stress free, I used to take a walk, because after the whole day, when you prepare, when you study, so you need some like peace of mind, so that you can go out and make yourself free. So I used to go for a walk or cycling, or talk to my friends, uh, then talk to parents. So these were my ways of being stress free. And even the online mock exams, what I used to do is I used to sit tight for 3 hours, and those 3 hours I used to not get disturbed. Like I used to avoid any other thing, and those 3 hours
Mhm.
were like properly dedicated for online mock exam. And after the exam, I used to see which question is wrong and which question is not wrong, and based on that, I used to grasp the concept. So the concept was
Mhm.
more important to grasp from those questions.
Okay, good. So being an IGC student, we know that it offers a lot other than just coaching, such as from scratch video lectures, the mock exams, the short notes, formula sheets before the exam, and after the exam also they provide post gate guidance, at which stream you should take or which specialization, which college is good for you. So how did IGC help you as an aerospace engineer? What difference you see in yourself after an year at IGC?
I see a lot of difference in me. One thing is that whatever learning I got from IGC was not just for the gate exam. It is for the future.
Mhm.
IGC prepares not just for the gate exam. It prepares for the future. The candidates for the aerospace industry, like future aerospace industry. And also IGC provides a very good post gate guidance. After the gate exam, we used to have sessions, and in those sessions, sir Dinesh sir used to tell about what, based on what interest, what you can opt for, and what and all things you should be ready of, and what courses, what specializations are
Can you
there.
share some tips and motivation for the future aspirants?
I would give three suggestions. One thing is that practice, practice, and practice. Yes, you should know the theory, but solving numericals is more important. Because in gate exam, let's say you have a question of 2 mark, and you will have maximum 3 minutes to solve it. Like if we allot proper time for each question, then 3 minutes will be allotted. In those 3 minutes, you need to plan the how to solve the problem. You need to calculate, do the calculations, and get the answer right. And that thing
Hmm.
is possible only when you practice. Second thing is that you should be self confident of yourself, that yes, I can do it. All the problems, because in gate exam, whenever you have a big question, we think, okay, it's a big question, we need to avoid it. It feels like that. So until and unless you practice and be confident, you won't be able to face that questions. Third is to be consistent. Each day you should give your each day of your preparation should be towards gate exam. And being consistent is tough, but that's the way how you can get a good rank in gate exam.
Yeah, very true. Practice is the key to accuracy, and
Yes.
accuracy is the key to success in GATE.
Yes.
So, can you share some books or study material for students?
I would for there is like a famous person like in aerospace itself, that is books by Anderson. So
Mhm.
that is his books are very much helpful in aerodynamics, flight mechanics, and it provides a very good fundamentals. And those books are more than enough. Those textbooks. And for propulsion, you can we can refer for Cohen and Rogers. And there are other books for structures and other for flight mechanics as well, like stability and control. But I would tell IGC material is more than sufficient to crack the GATE exam. Textbooks you can refer, but IGC material is more than sufficient to do it.
Yes. Okay, Devendra, that's all from my side. It was nice talking to you.
Yeah,
I
it was
would
nice
again like
talking
to
to you.
congratulate you for your achievement and wish you all the best for future.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Vedant.
Thank you. Thank you.